All right, we made a grocery list with bullets. Next thing I want to do is make a numbered list. So let's look over here, and we have this button here. Let me hit enter and then write a line. Then I'm going to click over here, this numbered list. I wonder if I can get closer so you can get a better view. Yes, so now it's disappeared. Let me move back a little bit. Yeah, you see these numbers here. That is the numbered list. So let me click on that. And now let's do the same thing. Grocery list, bananas. In case you need to buy things in order. I don't really need to buy bananas and dandruff shampoo in order, but let me put this dandruff shampoo. And then let's add, if I hit enter, I get a 3. What was it? Then I've got water. Then 4, cilantro. So that's my grocery list. Now it's a numbered list. Okay. And also, once again, if I hit enter, it has a 5. But if I don't want that 5, hit enter twice. There. Look at that. Then I can type something else. Don't forget to say hi to Sam. Yeah, so that's not on my list, but I want to put a note there with no number. Okay, and so my next question is, what does the numbered list button look like on the toolbar? Pause this video and answer that question. All right, here is another feature I would like to show you. Here's the bullets. You can change the style of bulleted lists. Look at this. You can have one of these. Oops, it shouldn't be there because it's about saying hi to Sam. Let's go back up here. We can change the bullets. Let's change them to this kind of bullets. Oh. And how about the squares? That way you can check them off, make it into a checklist. Isn't that nice? And what other kind of bullets do we have? Try the, I don't know, arrows. Okay. With the numbers, let's see what we can do here. Let me highlight that. And let's see, we got, numbers with parentheses, A, B, C, D. And also I can do this too. Roman numeral 1, bananas, and then enter. Wait, how do I? Bananas. I think I hit tab, and then I've got A, green bananas. And then B, I want Filipino bananas. Okay, dandruff shampoo. Enter once, and I hit tab, the tab button, A, head and shoulders. And water, let's see. Let me put more detail. 6 gallons. Okay, there we go. All right, so if you notice, there's a bunch of different options here. So my next question is, what do I click to find more options for bulleted and numbered lists? Answer that question yourself, and then come back and continue the video. I have another question, and here's a hint. How do you highlight text? Look, I'm highlighting text now. So how do you highlight text? How did I do that? So answer that and then continue the video. All right, the next thing I'd like to talk about is spacing. Come on, let me make it flash. Spacing. All right, and spacing is the distance between lines in a text. You can make the spacing bigger and smaller. Bigger spacing is easier to read. Smaller spacing lets you fit more text into on one page. The most common types of spacing are single and double spacing. When I went to college, it was double spacing that we had to do. So if you look over here, you click here. Let me zoom in here. Let me click on it. It looks like this, line and paragraph spacing. So let me zoom back out. There's an arrow going 2 directions. Look at that. So there's 1.5 spacing, 1.15, 1.5, and double. Let me click on double. And look at that, there's 2 spaces between each